Should, could, or can I DIY my boat lift motor? I get this question a lot and my answer is always the same. Absolutely not. In today's video, I'm going to explain why building your own boat lift motor from scratch is not a good idea and what you should do instead for proper boat lift motor installation. Before we get into it though, I want to make sure I let you know that if you're interested in buying a boat lift motor or even getting some accessories for the one you already have, check out my website, liftmarine.com. There are plenty of helpful resources there. Should you DIY a boat lift motor? You have your loved ones in and around your boat. Please don't jimmy rig something that might put them in danger. Galvanized cables can and still will rust and break prematurely. Bolting or strapping a makeshift winch to your lift to raise the carriage is also looking for trouble. Fixing the hull of your boat due to a bad DIY boat lift motor install will be significantly more expensive than just doing it right the first time and installing a purpose-built lift motor made for everyday handling of your investment. In short, DIYing your boat lift motor is not a good idea, no matter how many views a video like that gets on YouTube. Let us at Lift Marine do all the hard work for you so you can get a boat lift motor that's safe, reliable, and easy to use. Give us a call today or take a look at our products on our website, liftmarine.com.